welcome back to my channel Be Beautiful Naturally. Hope all of you are fine and safe. So today's video is about how to deal with PPD or postpartum depression. I think this will be very helpful for all new mothers and all would-be mothers. So let's get started the video. So what is PPD or postpartum depression? It's the stage after delivery which we all women have to go through more or less. I also went through this stage. It's very common and easy to deal with if we taking care of it, but it may be very dangerous if you are not taking care of it. So as per my experience, I am going to share some tips how to deal with PPD. So after delivery, our body remains weak. They are continuously running hormonal changes, lack of rest, lack of sleep. These all things together called PPD. So what we have to do first, take rest as much as you can. But it's quite impossible to take rest with a newborn. So try to sleep whenever your baby is sleeping. It will make you relax, make you refreshed, and your body will also need rest. So it will help to heal your body also. And at this time of period, your family plays a important role, especially your husband. They should always support you, they should always help you. And if your baby is not sleeping at the night, it's a very big deal. So divide hours between your husband and you. When your husband is taking care of your baby, you take rest, and when you are taking care of your baby, your husband should take rest. This will make situation easier. And sometimes you will get angry, you will get irritated, you will get bored because of lack of rest, because of hormonal changes. It's quite natural, it's quite common. So at that time, try to do whatever you like to do. It could be listening to the music, it could be reading, it could be cooking, and give responsibilities to take care of your baby to your husband or any of your family members, because taking care of your baby is important and taking care of yourself is as important as that, because you are the main person for your baby. So you have to stay positive, you have to stay healthy, you have to stay strong, and for that you should take rest, you should eat healthy, you should drink a lot of water. If your doctor prescribes any medicine, you should take them. And if your doctor asks you for any yoga, just do that. It will help you a lot. And if possible, if there is a family member for taking care of your baby, if possible, then go outside with your husband. It will relax your mind, it will make you happy, and it will make you feel refreshed. So if possible, do that. And at that time of period, you will sometimes feel to cry without any reasons. I used to feel cry without any reason. At that moment, what you have to do is just look at your baby's face. It will help a lot. It will solve half of your problems. Just look at your baby's face. And if you getting bored, take pictures of your baby's activities, your baby's cute face, your baby's cute things, and see them. It will make you relaxed, it will make you happy. And being a mother every time is a special, but being a mother for the first time is a extraordinary feeling, because all things are new. So forget about everything, enjoy your motherhood, enjoy time with your newborn and your family, and have fun with your baby, and take pictures of the moment as much as you can, because this will makes you feel cry, makes you feel happy, makes you feel smile in future. So capture moment as much as you can, and enjoy, just enjoy life, just enjoy your new journey. And this journey is quite hard at the beginning. In the beginning every journey is hard, but day by day it will make you feel easier, make you feel smooth. So don't take tension, don't take stress, just be happy, just enjoy your motherhood, just see your baby to grow in front of your eyes, and it will solve every problem of your life, your baby's innocent face. So do that and have fun. Plan what to buy for your baby, what to do for your baby, and discuss this thing with your family members, with your husband, and spend time together. And this will help you to overcome this PPD, and do yoga if your doctor recommend. This will also help. Eat healthy, drink a lot of water, that's it, and give your body time to heal. Okay, so I think this will help you, and if you like my video, share, like and comment, and subscribe my channel. Stay at home, stay happy, stay blessed, stay safe, and love you all.